told you about cover, and cover is what stops fragmentation or bullets. But now Steve here in a combat position is behind what we call concealment. Concealment hides the body but does not stop bullets or fragmentation. He's hiding behind some cardboard boxes. Well, obviously bullets will pass right through like tissue paper. But concealment is good because to his left there may be enemy combatants over there, but they can't see him because he's hidden. And of course, when the enemy doesn't know you're there, obviously you don't get shot. Or if they can't see you, they can't accurately fire on you. Now, how does this relate to you civilians? Well, when he backs away and hides, and yes, now let's say you're in a situation where you can't get behind cover, but there's terrorists coming into the building killing people. Well, if a terrorist can't see you, he's not going to shoot at you. And so concealment is better than nothing, but obviously your goal is to get to cover. Now we have Steve behind cover, and he's behind some heavy file cabinets, and of course inside would be papers. Now, this is obviously not the perfect cover, but in this particular situation, that's all he's got. And at least bullets could be deflected or ricocheted off of the metal here. Now, you know, behind a engine block or behind a huge tree, obviously, would be optimum cover. But you know, you got to take what you got. What about a civilian situation? You know, okay, I'm in a train station, and maybe this is a vending machine to get my tickets, and now some terrorists over there are lobbing grenades and stuff. Hey, if this is all I got, I'm going to quickly get behind it and even get on the ground. So getting behind this and throwing myself on the ground is going to be a lot better. So every little bit you can do for yourself is going to help out. And again, this stuff is easy. Children understand it rapidly. So whether you're teaching your own family or you're a martial arts instructor, throw this in. And your students are going to love it.
Hey, it's Jimbo over here at TRS Survival with another tip for you. This may be one of the most important tips you ever get if you're ever caught in an urban meltdown. You know, like say there was a complete breakdown of our modern society, like if the power grid went down for a long time or something like that. Our own government estimates that within 6 months of a massive power grid failure, a shocking 90% of urban Americans will die. Are you ready for something like this? Most guys aren't, or they think they are, but they're really not. Mainly because they've been listening to and getting bad advice from the wrong people. Because while some folks will band together and help each other, most people will simply panic and resort to looting, brutality, and even murder to survive. You can imagine how desperate and dangerous things are going to get. Which is why I brought in former Delta operator and Green Beret Dale Comstock to give you the real scoop. Dale's been a combat soldier for over 30 years, and he's seen up close and personal what really happens when a modern society like ours suddenly comes to a crashing halt. It's not pretty, and the survival of you and your family will have little to do with bushcraft skills or what kind of tree bark is safe to eat. So Dale will show you 2 vital survival tips. Number 1, he'll show you exactly what gear and supplies you should pack in your bug-out bag or rucksack, and it's probably not what you think. Most people don't have anything like this ready, or they load up their sacks with the wrong kind of equipment and survival gear. These mistakes can cost you your life, but now you'll know precisely what you have to have ready and what you can do without. And number 2, you'll discover how to operate as a military patrol unit in a live combat situation. Okay, these are advanced military combat tactics almost never taught to civilians. It's intensive instruction that will have you and your buddies or your family operating like a well-oiled combat-ready commando unit. Okay, I wish I could show these videos to you right here, right now, but I can't. I can't risk having my channel banned. But you can get them all for free. Just click on the link in the description. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.